Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Artocraft, and today I am going to share with you how to make a terrarium in a very simple and easy way. So please watch the full video with me. So let's start. At first we need a bowl. Then I am using garden soil here, normal garden soil. Now we need to break the lumps or discard these lumps from the soil. Now we need same amount of coco peat. Coco peat will make the soil light-weighted and it will hold the water properly inside the terrarium. Now I am using construction sand, normal construction sand. The ratio will be 1:1:1. So now I am using vermicompost and the amount will be just equals to the soil and coco peat. Now mix it well so that all the ingredients mixed with each other very well. The soil should look like this. Now we need an old fish bowl. I have found these mosses from my garden, and this is one kind of grass. I have found it in my garden. Now we need some pebbles, small or large size pebbles, paintbrush, white aquarium pebbles, and a spray bottle to spray water inside the terrarium. It used to be a sanitizer bottle, but now I am using it as a sprayer bottle. Now I am going to place all the large pebbles at the base of the fish bowl. Now I'm gonna use small size pebbles to cover the base properly. Now we need a normal plastic sheet, and using a safety pin I am going to make holes in it. Now I am going to place the plastic inside the fish bowl or inside the terrarium. Now I am going to cover it using construction sand. Spread the sand evenly. Now I'm going to make the soil base of the terrarium. So finally I'm going to place all the moss and all the grass and all the materials inside the terrarium and make a proper landscape. Actually these are all stone pieces, old stone pieces. Here I am using common garden moss, but if you want you can use green sphagnum moss or star moss. Now place all the ingredients according to your planning or according to your landscape design. It is a driftwood I am going to use inside the terrarium. So now I'm going to start the decoration part of the terrarium. After completion, we need to spray water inside the terrarium using a spray bottle. Now we need to wipe out all the excess water from the wall of the terrarium using a piece of cloth. So now the final look is ready. Now I'm going to use this plate to cover the terrarium. We need to spray the terrarium as per the requirement of water. So friends, if you like my video, please share it with your friends and give me a thumbs up as a motivation, and please comment in the comment box below. And if you're watching my channel for the first time, please subscribe it and click the bell icon so that you can get the instant notification whenever I upload a new video on my channel. So please keep watching. Bye bye.